what's up? Kevin Prince here from Drummer101.com. In this video I'm going to show you 2 exercises that's going to help you increase bass drum control and speed with your single pedal. Alright, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the link in the description below to take you to a free course that you can take on the Drummer101 website. You can sign up with a free account, you don't have to have a paid membership, but you get access to all the free material that we have to offer on the Drummer101.com website. So let's get into it. Alright, the first thing that you're going to need to know is how to play a 16th note bass drum groove, kick, hat, kick, snare. So that bass drum is going to be on the of 1. You're going to get 1, E, and 2, and. Just like this. Alright, so what we're going to do is play 2 bass drum strokes in place of that 1 bass drum stroke on the of 1. So you're going to get kick, hat, kick, kick, snare, hat. Alright, so the technique I use is I keep the ball of my foot planted on that pedal board and my heel raised up. And I kind of use a combination of my leg, my calf, and my ankle. And my heel kind of does a rotating in and out motion when I get into the faster tempos. But we're going to keep it at 50 beats per minute right now. We're going to just keep it kick, hat, kick, kick, snare, hat. Real slow. Here we go. Alright, so what I would do is I would start at 50 beats per minute and then increase the tempo a little bit, maybe by 5 or 10 beats per minute, just till you get comfortable with that motion that you're doing with the foot. Alright, so let's try 60 beats per minute. Alright, and just for fun, let's check it out at 80 beats per minute. Alright, so the second technique I'm going to show you is we're going to play a double stroke roll, but we're going to replace that left hand with our bass drum. So instead of right, right, left, left, you're going to get right, right, kick, kick. And we can just keep it on our snare drum for now. Alright, and as you get more comfortable with that, I want you to listen to the balance between the snare drum and the bass drum. Make sure that your snare drum isn't louder than your bass drum, or vice versa. You want them to be pretty even volume-wise. So let's increase the speed a little bit. Alright, and don't forget about your left hand. You are going to be able to want to play this left-handed, so left, left, kick, kick. But now what we can do is you can move that right hand around the drum set once. Since I only have 1 rack tom, I need 4 surfaces on the top to make it even. So we're going to go snare, hi-hats, rack tom, floor tom. If you have 2 rack toms or 2 floor toms, you can stick to the toms. That's totally fine. And then we're going to go to the left hand on the second time through. So it would be left, left, kick, kick, left, left, kick, kick, left, left, kick, kick, left, left, kick, kick. Here we go. All right, so obviously our end goal here is speed, so you're going to want to take that and play that a little bit faster. Remember to watch that balance of the volume between your your drum surfaces up top and your bass drum. So here we go. All right, and even faster. All right, man, that gets the calf burning really hard. So anyways, take those two techniques and practice them, replacing that 16th note with the bass drum, replace it with two 32nd notes, and then practice your double strokes with the bass drum. Right, right, kick, kick, left, left, kick, kick. You can also play right, left, kick, kick, or right, left, kick, kick. Any variation where you're getting a double stroke on the bass drum. You could also do right, left, kick, kick. All right, guys, so now that's up to you to practice this. Start off slow, hit that subscribe button, and check out the free courses on drummer101.com. That link is in the description below, and I will see you guys later.